be making something super simple, super easy, with about five to six ingredients, and you can eliminate whatever you don't want. But the main three that you actually do need is any kind of cake mix, 5 tablespoons of butter melted, 1 cup of chocolate chips, 2 eggs, and the extra ingredients I add because I like the flavor. I've tried this before and it was pretty amazing. Half a cup of coconut, shredded coconut, and some pecans. Okay, so let's get started. So they call this recipe cookie bars because cake mix cookie bars, my bad. Because it's made out of cake mix, but then it's actually like a cookie, thicker. So add cake mix, the butter, and the eggs, 2 eggs. I'll have the ingredients and the method down in the comments for you. Okay, now we are going to mix it slowly, just till they mix all together, all the ingredients. It is a lot thicker, not like your regular cake mix where you add all the extra ingredients, a lot more of the oil base. This is actually turning into a cookie dough, so it's thicker. Going to show you guys the consistency. It doesn't even drip. It doesn't go anywhere. See, just like cookie dough. Okay, so next ingredient I add is the coconut, chocolate chips, and mix again. Okay, the dough is stuck in the mixer. There we go. It gets so thick so it gets stuck in these. And then what I'm going to do, put that on the side. I don't actually add the pecans, the crushed pecans, till I put it in the pan, and I'm going to go ahead and do that right now. You want to use a 9x13 pan. Make sure you spray it before you add the batter. It's not cooperating with me. I chose for my cake mix flavor is butter pecan. That's hence why I'm using pecans for the topping. So you just want to press it down into the pan, stretch it out. Doesn't have to be 100% perfect because it'll be eaten. Trust me. Kids and adults. And we're gonna sprinkle. We're gonna sprinkle the pecans on top. I'll show you the finished product before I put it in the oven. Okay. So I also just pushed down the pecans that I sprinkled on top of the batter, just so they don't completely fall off when you take a slice and have some. So it gets into the dough. Okay. And very easy, as you can see. It is so good. It smells good too. And I'm going to put it in the oven now. I'm going to preheat your oven to about 350 degrees and bake it for 25 minutes. And that's it. So after it's finished baking, I will show you what it looks like. Stay tuned. All right, so time is up and it is finished. I'm going to take it out of the oven. And that is what these amazing cake mix bars look like. It smells amazing too. The whole house smells like these bars. And it's delicious. So let me just test out. I should have waited a little bit longer, but I'm anxious to show you guys. They're so soft and moist. Taste it, it'll just, it's so delicious. And there you have it. I will put all the ingredients and the method in the description for you guys, but I highly recommend trying this recipe. You will not get anybody that will not like it. Trust me, it's delicious. This is really good.
Wow, Mom. Whatever that is, that smells amazing.
You want to try it? There you have it, evidence. The smell is out throughout the house, and he definitely loves it. I should have warned you, it's a little bit warm. No complaints though, huh? Good, you can have some more later. Thank you for watching.